17 साल किसी के जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं। कोई युवा हो तो उसके लिए भी, या कोई युवा फेस्टिवल हो, लेकिन 17 वर्षों में ईफी की यात्रा बहुत उपलब्धियों भरी रही। इट्स फुल ऑफ अचीवमेंट्स। इफ यू लुक एट द लास्ट 17 years of IFFI, it has actually become an international festival. We have seen this year close to 2,900 plus applications for the film festival, which is close to 3 times more than the last year. That clearly shows the interest in the International Film Festival of India, and I'm sure with the new inventions and innovations, new technology, especially the VFX and other sectors where audio visuals, gaming, comics, visual effects, animation, this all is bringing a lot of post-production work to India. We are going to announce a new filmmaking policy today for the international production houses, and I'm sure it's going to be one of the best in the world. Just wait for the announcement. We have seen a lot of interest in the post-production also, in the co-production also. And today at the Film Bazaar, I have seen there are more than 1,000 participants from across the world, which clearly shows the interest is growing. And I'm sure the kind of effort which has been put in by the ministry and all the stakeholders, IFFI, with the India media and entertainment industry growing by 20% every year, and we are among the 5 largest media and entertainment economies of the world. The future is ours. The way Indian economy is going to be the 3rd largest in next 5 years, and I'm sure our media and entertainment industry is going to be among the 3rd largest entertainment industries of the world. Thank you.
Lovely to be at IFFI again, and it's been, I think, 2-3 साल के बाद आई हूँ, तो this has been really lovely to be an integral part. I have a session and will be on the jury, so it's और आज की जो inauguration है उसकी I think it's really amazing. So रोज़ साल भर साल कुछ ना कुछ बड़ा और होता जा रहा है और खूबसूरत होता जा रहा है और ज़्यादा nations एक साथ आ रहे हैं, and it's a beautiful effort, I think, and looking forward.
As a judge, what factors you keep in mind while selecting the film?
To be fair, absolutely to be fair. बहुत मेहनत करते हैं सब लोग, and I think I had a good jury with me. So, इतनी हम लोग actually as an audience जब कुछ भी देखते हैं, shows देखते हैं या कुछ भी देखते हैं, तो हमें लगता है कि entertaining. लेकिन जब आप ऐसे देखते हो तो एक तो कितने मुख्तलिफ, कितने अलग हैं एक दूसरे से, और yet they're so brilliant. और बहुत सारे ऐसे shows हैं जो शायद इतने सबके सामने नहीं आए, लेकिन बहुत सुंदर shows हैं. Righto, thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, it's like the theme is the whole Indian party, so it has all the party songs, and it was fun performing and rehearsing, though we didn't have much time to really work on it, but I love dancing, and being on stage gives me immense pleasure. So yeah, I'm really excited to be here. I eat a lot of protein, a lot of carbs, keep myself very relaxed, which never happens because there's always some change or some whatever. But I feel just be very grateful for the fact that I am here to perform, and God's been kind enough to give me dance and this platform to perform. So gratefulness is what I try to practice. Yeah.
See, I love coming to this festival in different roles. I used to come as a viewer. Last year my film was selected, so I'd come as a director. This year I'm one of the grand juries. So every time the role changes, but the festival is the same. It is so beautiful, and it is like a get-together of creative people from all over India. So it's very beautiful. आणि मला इथे येऊन खूप ऊर्जा मिळते नवीन काम करायला. असं वाटतं की अरे किती लोक काय काय करतात, आपण पण काहीतरी चांगलं करायला पाहिजे. सो आय थिंक अशा जागी जायला पाहिजे जिकडे तुम्ही चांगल्या लोकांना, हुशार लोकांना भेटता, क्रिएटिव्ह लोकांना भेटता. तशी ही फार महत्त्वाची जागा आहे.
Coffee with Karan, you're asking about. I thought we had IFFI 54 and we should celebrate this massive, beautiful, gorgeous festival. But I'm so glad that you've asked me about coffee. What is the perfect blend? The perfect blend is the perfect combination of guests.
Karan, like,
Well, I've been 25 years in the business, so I'm glad there is an evolution. I think from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai to Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani has been like a journey from one love story in 1998 to one in 2023. I think the characters have evolved, the journeys have evolved, the politics have evolved, the communication of what I want to say about family and love and about gender equality, all that has evolved, I hope. And I'm just glad that the film received so much love, and I'm very, very, very grateful.
what is
I'm an absolute regular, and I love coming to the inaugural and staying back and watching movies. IFFI is such an important movement for us where it comes to Indian cinema. We are here actually for a very, very special film. We are here to launch the Amazon original Ae Watan Mere Watan, led by Sara Ali Khan, directed by Kanan Iyer. And we're very, very excited about this story. It's inspired by true events, and it tells the very brave story of a girl from basically being a college girl in Mumbai to a freedom fighter. And we're vastly excited about it coming early next year. Eternally grateful to the Honourable Minister, Shri Anurag Thakurji, for always being such a cheerleader for our industry. He constantly puts film forward before anything else, and the Honourable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, has always said that we are a tremendous soft power and we should be self-aware and know that we can make a big impact in the world.
Thank you, very excited, very happy to be here in Goa, one of my favorite cities, very happy to be at IFFI. It's such a prestigious function, and yeah, really excited to perform.
सर ये लुक जो कर रखा अभी आपने वो
जी
क्या आपको किसी प्रोजेक्ट
जी मेरी नई फिल्म के लिए, उसका नाम है देवा. We've just started shooting it. It's gonna come out next year on Dussehra, on 11th August, and yeah, so this is basically for that. मेरे काम को दर्शक पसंद करें, प्यार दें, चाहे वो फर्जी हो या ब्लडी डैडी हो. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिला इस साल. फर्जी has done beyond my expectations. It's been the most watched show ever. I don't think anybody can expect that. So बहुत ही हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्व की बात थी. And Bloody Daddy is the most watched film this year. So OTT पे I think I have landed safely. I'm feeling very happy, very thankful. क्योंकि जनता जनता होती है, ऑडियंस ऑडियंस होती है. आप जब भी कुछ करते हैं, जब तक आपको उनका प्यार, उनकी खुशी नहीं महसूस होती, तो अंदर से आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता. तो मुझे महसूस हुई है इस साल. So the year has been very, very nice for me. Next year I will only have theatrical releases. So this year was more OTT. अगले साल मेरी 2 फिल्में आएंगी, एक फरवरी में आएगी और एक अगस्त में आएगी. एक की शूटिंग मैं फ़िलहाल कर रहा हूँ.
You are seeing every year we are celebrating International Film Festival. This is the 54th edition. This year Film Bazaar and Film Mela is the specialty. And today the grand inauguration, we are waiting for the grand inauguration. So Madhuri Dixit ji is going to get this year of the Film Personality Award. That's we are all very happy that. Apart from that, every year new things we are improving and we are introducing. So this year also we introducing box office and story picking from the novels and 75 young minds. So last year also the 75 young minds were there. This year also the 75 young minds we are identifying, and we are giving a platform to them, to the international platform. And international filmmakers are coming here. Our filmmakers are coming here. One business to business platform is available this festival. We are ready to enjoy this festival. Welcome to this festival.
Last time when I was here, I mean, that is 2022, IFFI Goa, that also I was hosting with Mrunal. This time it's with Karishma Tanna and Touchwood. Looking forward to the hosting. Z Studios की 2 फिल्में हैं जिन्होंने मेरी फिल्म बर्लिन रिलीज की. हम सारे फेस्टिवल्स हुआ है बट यहाँ पे उनकी 2 फिल्में हैं. So really looking forward to that. Yeah, चलो thank you.
How excited you are for your performance?
Oh, I'm very excited because IFFI is a great platform and people come to Goa for holidays but now they also come here for IFFI to watch all the films that are shown here, and I'm very excited because I'm doing one of my best, the classical kind of songs, and the audience is also very beautiful. So very honored, very honored कि ये award दिया जा रहा है. I think इस इंडस्ट्री में इतने साल काम किया है और जब भी ऐसा अवार्ड मिलता है एनकरेजमेंट मिलती है, एक और अच्छा काम करने की आस जगती है और बस वही करेंगे, हम अच्छा काम करते रहेंगे. पंचक इज़ गोइंग टू रिलीज़ ऑन 5th January next year और बहुत जल्द आ रही है. सो वी विल सून स्टार्ट द पब्लिसिटी एंड एवरीथिंग.
सर म्हणजे सोशल मीडिया पर ऍक्टिव्ह आहे.
हो.
एनी चान्स इन योर फिल्म बिकॉज ही लुक गुड, ही टॉक वेल ऑल्सो.
नाही पंचकमध्ये मी नाही आणि तेही नाहीत. वी आर प्रोड्युसर्स मेनली आणि खूप चांगली स्टारकास्ट आहे. बेस्ट आपले जे मराठीचे ॲक्टर्स आहेत ते सगळे आहेत पंचकमध्ये. सो आय होप यू गायज एन्जॉय द फिल्म. थँक्यू.
ऍक्टर म्हणून पाहते का?
he's a surgeon, he's a doctor, he has a different platform altogether. So he should speak for himself. तुला कधी आवडेल का?
बघूया. रोज ऍक्टिंग करतो, मुलं आहेत ना.
It feels wonderful. IFFI has developed over the years, and this year from the international, from the global cinema, we have more than 2,500 films coming in. And of course, we have also not just Hindi films, but pan-India films which are being shown. And so it's like a hub of creativity now, which will be amazing for all India and for everyone to get themselves. All the films, I mean, they are from the best, best work from best people. So let's hope, and see that there's so many different lovely films. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I am very particular about the kind of films I do, so I'm very choosy. I have my politics, so a lot of work. So if there's something very, very interesting, I would be doing it.
Why don't you produce the movie?
I'm a producer myself, but then I can't make films for myself.
How about the daughter of yours? Is she acting in anything?
My elder one should be introduced next year. My younger one is assisting Mr. Mani Ratnam. So they both are busy.
How about Hindi films?
I'm doing a Hindi film after 35 long years. I'm doing a film with Mr. Nana Patekar, which I should start in January.
Any name or any detail you would like to share?
Let the production house come out with all the details. Yes, thank you.
How was the film submission? Like, what was what is the trend you see?
I can't tell you about films till the end, right? It's like we are going to watch all the films. There's some excellent films, both in the jury and in the rest of the festival. It's pretty amazing the quality of films that are coming.
What's happening about the Pani?
Pani is going to be made next year.
Coming year?
Yes.
And when is that you're releasing it?
Releasing the year after that.
Any update on Mr. India 2?
Mr. India 2. I don't have the rights. If I did, I would have made it by now. Are you feeling lonely? Come.
Sure.
Yeah.
Mr. Kapoor, what is that you see in Kaveri as an actor or behind the person?
I have been asking her to act with me. She's a famous singer, and she keeps saying no. Would you tell them why you say no to me?
I only said no as a child, and now I run after him, begging him.
Ask you or to stand behind the camera?
Both, yes.
Super talented parents is all.
Thank you. Wow.
ह्या वर्साचो इफी तसो पळोवचो जाल्यार फाटली कितलींशींच वर्सां जालो ताच्या पेक्षा बरो इफी जातलो. फुडले 8 दीस एक उत्साहाचें वातावरण गोंयांत आसा. म्हाका दिसता की गोवन कोंकणी फिल्म जी 7 ह्या फावटी इन्क्लूड जाल्या ते एक खाशेलेपण आसा इफी खातीर. निश्चित रित्या गोंयच्या सगळ्या लोकांनी इफी एन्जॉय करची आनी इफी खातीर जी आमी इन फ्युचर द फिल्म सिटी जी क्रिएट करतात ताच्या खातीरलोय बी आमी फ्लोट केला. सगळे जे फिल्म मेकर्स, प्रोड्युसर, डायरेक्टर्स आणि फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीतले सगळे लोक हांगासर आयले. त्यांचे समेस्त गोंयकारांच्या वतीन हांव खूप खूप स्वागत करता.
सर यावर्षी तुम्ही मुलीला घेऊन आला तर ती काय पाहणार आणि कसं काय फिल्मचा इन्फ्लुएन्स तिच्यावर कशा प्रकारे आहे?
सो मला वाटतं की तिला फिल्म आवडतात आणि इफी पाहण्यासाठी ती इथं आलेली आहे. डेफिनेटली म्हणजे फिल्म प्रत्यक्ष वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने इम्पॅक्ट सगळ्यावरती करत असते. म्हणजे मुलावरती असेल, मोठ्यावरती असेल, फिल्म ह्या अशा पद्धतीने एक चांगलं इम्प्रेशनसुद्धा आपण बघतो की फिल्ममधून ऑलवेज इट इज मोटिवेशन येतं, इम्प्रेशन राहते आणि तशा पद्धतीचंच मोटिवेशन ऑलवेज फिल्म वेगवेगळ्या फिल्ममधून सगळ्यांना मिळालेली आहे. थँक्यू.
ह्या वर्सा मेन म्हणटा ते आमचे सिनेमेला वीच इज बिसायड्स द डेलिगेट्स आख्खे गोंयकार आनी एवरी वन पब्लीक जनरल पब्लीक वील बी एबल टू कम and enjoy the everything. There will be food stalls. आमच्या महिलां खातीर, आमच्या गोंयच्या महिलां खातीर, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपा खातीर तेंचे थंयसरूय स्टॉल आहात. आमचे स्टार्टअप्स पेविलियन्स आहा म्हणल्यार खूब इंडस्ट्रीज. All the startup pavilions will be are there. There is a stage for entertainment. Everything over there. Promenade in front of ESG Promenade. All our Goans should come and experience the best of film over there. Besides that, आमचे स्क्रीनिंग ओपन एअर स्क्रीनिंग हा 3 सुवातेर हा. आमच्या मिरामार बीच, अंजुना बीच, GTDC पार्किंग आणि रवींद्र भवन मारगांव. So over there also the best of films will be screened from tomorrow, from 21st to 27th. आणि आमच्या 4 जाग्यांचेर स्क्रीनिंग्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट मुवीज विल बी देर. आमच्या आयनॉक्स पोरवरी, आयनॉक्स पेंजिम, अशोक थिएटर अँड सम्राट थिएटर. आय इन्वायट ऑल द गोवन्स. गोंया येयल्ले हा द वर्ल्ड फिल्म्स are here in Goa. Please come and enjoy. Delegate passes you all can get online www.ifigoa.org. तेजेर तुम्ही delegates म्हणून येवंक जाता. Again, all the students who are doing courses affiliated to mass communication or affiliated to films, they can come free of cost. फकत कॉलेजीन साकून एक सर्टिफिकेट हाडूंक जाय की तो भुरगो, ती भुरगीं they are doing some courses affiliated to film school. So I invite all the Goans especially, please come and enjoy the best of films of the world being screened in Goa. Thank you.
बस जैसे हर साल इफी होता है उससे ये साल में ज़्यादा इसलिए अच्छा है क्योंकि 75 टैलेंट इस देश के युवा टैलेंट जो इस देश में बहुत अद्भुत तरीके से कहीं पर छोटे से गांव में या कहीं पर हर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में वो टैलेंट उभरने का काम भारत सरकार ने किया है, वो बहुत ही सराहनीय है. बाकी अद्भुत फिल्में हैं वो तो देखेंगे ही और बहुत सारे बच्चे देखने के लिए आया होगा जितनी हो सकती है. सो ऑल द बेस्ट ऑल फिल्म मेकर्स, क्रिएटर्स, सारी
No, it's been organized very nicely आणि म्हाका दिसता की ऑर्गनायझेशन डे बाय डे इम्प्रूव जायत आसा आणि आमकां पळयतात की this year there are a lot of film stars and celebrities who are entertaining all the people, and definitely when we go inside we will see the best of the performance of all the celebrities. ना पळोवया आतां कितें येता तें, whichever we feel and we have time, then we will definitely go and enjoy the film festival. After all, we have to come together to organize such a beautiful occasion. 54th International Film Festival itself is a great achievement because this is a permanent venue and we are going for a film city kind of thing, and right now we are here. So Goa will be going for a film city, establishing their own film city, and that has to come now after so many years. So we are trying to make everything will not happen on the same day. आता 1-2-3 वर्सांच्या भितर आमी ज्यो बिल्डिंग्स आता, so far we have done so many buildings also. Now we will come up with this also. Okay? We'll have to see. खबर ना म्हाका. या बरें आमी बरयल्लें पूण पळोवया. या
चौपन्नाव्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय महोत्सवाची ओपनिंग स्क्रीनिंग झाल्यानंतर ओपनिंग सेरेमनी, जय्यत अशा पद्धतीचं ओपनिंग सेरेमनीसाठी दिग्गज तारका गोव्यामध्ये आणि त्याचबरोबर श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जीच्या इंडोर स्टेडियममध्ये आत्ताच अवतरले आणि पुढचा महोत्सवासाठीचा जो काही कार्यक्रम आहे तो सुरू झाला. आपण पाहिलं की माहिती आणि प्रसारण मंत्री अनुराग सिंग ठाकूर, त्याच्यानंतर माहिती आणि प्रसारण राज्यमंत्री डॉक्टर एल मुरुगन, मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, NFDCचे बडे अधिकारी या कार्यक्रमाला आले. त्याच्यानंतर धगधग गर्ल माधुरी दीक्षित देखील आल्या, त्यांचा परफॉर्मन्स होणार आहे. त्याच्यानंतर शाहिद कपूर यांचा देखील परफॉर्मन्स होणार आहे, श्रेया सरन यांचा देखील परफॉर्मन्स होणार आहे. हे तिन्ही दिग्गज तारका ज्यांचा इफीच्या ओपनिंग सेरेमनीमध्ये परफॉर्मन्स होणार आहे ते तिन्ही या ठिकाणी आलेले आहेत आणि आतमध्ये त्यांचा परफॉर्मन्स सुरू आहे. आणि हा परफॉर्मन्स कशा पद्धतीनं होतो आहे, कशा पद्धतीनं संबंध गोव्याला ते भुरळ घालत आहेत. 20 ते 28 आणि उद्यापासूनचा 21 पासून ते 28 तारखेपर्यंत फिल्मचं स्क्रीनिंग होणार आहे आणि कशा पद्धतीचा हा इफी असणार आहे हे आपल्याला पुढच्या काही दिवसांमध्ये पाहायचं आहे. पण आजची ओपनिंग स्क्रीनिंग झालेली आहे. तुलसीदास चारी यांच्यासह मी ऋषिकेश, प्रुडंट मीडिया, पणजी.